My son printed me a butterfly as per my request, which I wanted to use for my sourdough bread. So that's what I'm going to do today. My sourdough was in the fridge since morning. It's been in there for a few hours just firming up, because I find the oven rise is better, and yeah, it scores better too. So still going to get this out. As usual, put my greaseproof paper, which I've used before, and I reused it until I can't reuse it anymore. I put rice flour in my banneton so that my dough doesn't stick. It's just water. And then I'm going to get my butterfly. Okay, which side? Okay, I think I'll use this side. Pat it down. Today I'm going to make it just one way, but I will make it, and then I'll do a different loaf with a different way. Anyway, there's only one way I can do it today. And just some rice flour on top. Then lift it up. Look at that, nice butterfly imprint. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can score it. So you dust off the rice flour on the butterfly, use it as a template. Let me just get off some more. Okay, then you use it as a template to score the same design on the bread. I don't think I'm going to do that today. Actually, I might. Let me see. I've got my bread lame, also 3D printed. These are going to be light scores, just light scoring, because you don't want it to open up too much. Need a very sharp razor blade. If it's not very sharp, you might get it not quite right. So blades need changing at some point. And I'm quite intrigued to see how it's going to turn out. I think that should work. I'm going to score right round to make a frame and also to control how the bread opens up in the oven. Okay, now this is going in the oven at 200 Celsius for about 45 minutes. I put the lid on because I bake it with the lid on. That is so pretty. I love it. It's still quite hot, so I'm just going to lift it up gently. That is so pretty. Look at that. And that's exactly what I was going for. That's why I didn't do deep scoring on the butterfly. And if you notice, this is a deep score I did on the side. That's why it rose like that. So I didn't want the butterfly to come out like that. I just wanted it to just have the print on it.